Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something really simple. Let's draw a cute little loaf of bread. Alright, so let's draw this loaf of bread, and this one's nice and easy, so I don't need to sketch out anything first. So to begin, we're going to draw in the top portion of the bread first. So we just draw one curve like this. It's almost like a flattened circle, but no bottom. Okay, so just one curve like this. And then now for the sides, from this ends right here, just draw two brackets. And then just round it, and then just round this out. Just close it off, so this would be the bottom of the bread. All right, and let's add in some crust on the top. So starting at these 2 points, I'm just gonna draw another curve all the way around. So just follow the outside curve. Just come to this corner here. So that's gonna be the face of the bread, so let's add in some eyes. So right in the middle of this, just come out, just add two little dots. Okay, so we'll keep this really simple. And then for the mouth, just in between, I'll just give it a little bit of a smile. All right, so now that we have the face of the bread, we'll turn it into a full loaf. So right here, I'm just gonna draw one line, kind of slightly slanting up. So this will be the side. I know it's a little bit strange right now. All right, so once you have this, I'm gonna draw one more up down here. Pretty much the same length. And then from these two lines, I'm gonna close this off, same curve as this. Okay, so that's gonna be the side of the bread. And then now up here, this curve right here, I'm gonna draw it right here. So I'm just gonna curve up, just one little bracket like this first. And then on this space, we'll just round it out, connect to the top here. So this will be the top of the bread. And if you want to, we can add in a little bit more detail on the top. Just add one more of these little curves right here, just somewhere in the middle, just one little line. All right, so that is it for this very easy to draw loaf of bread. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.